Hey Dolly friend, this is Kat from the Dolly Insider. Let's sew a spooktacular outfit from Nendoroid Doll Book of Adorable Seasonal Outfits. The look we're going to sew is called Jack-o'-lantern. Up next, tights. Cut out and mark all pieces. You'll have 2 pieces total. Pin the tights right sides together and sew the front rise. Press the seam open. Fold the waistband down and sew. With right sides together, pin and sew the back rise. Right sides together, match the inseam and rise. Pin and sew. Once sewn, flip the tights right side out. Yay! The tights are complete. This project is beginner friendly. If you prefer a text version of the steps in this video, download the PDF in the description below. I hope you decide to make this project for your doll. If you do, be sure to tag us at the Dolly Insider on Instagram so that we can see your look. You can also email us. See the description below for details. There's only one more project left in this spooktacular series. See you soon!